sometimes we have this idea na kung anak na ko sa Diyos, kung born again ako, dili na ko mag-follow sa 10 Commandments. No, you are wrong. Kung anak ka sa Diyos, ang timailan nga anak ka sa Diyos is kaya ni mo buhaton ang 10 Commandments. And labaw pa, and more. No? Because that is just the Christian way of living in the New Testament. They're following the 10 Commandments and beyond that. Like they give more than their 10. Like they serve the Lord like never before. John 14:15 highlights the word if. If is conditional. If you love me, kung nahigugma ka nako, you will keep my commandments. So what are the commandments of the Lord? The 10 Commandments. And in the New Testament, ang 10 Commandments, iyaan ang gibuak-buak into simple terms nga masayon masabtan sa tao. Like for example, ang first commandment is love the Lord your God with all your heart, your strength, your mind, your soul. And in Matthew 6:33, how to show that is when you seek God first. Kung una siya sa tanan. Because dili man nato ma-define unsa gyud ang loving the Lord with all your heart, mind, soul, and strength. So niingon si Matthew in chapter 6:33, you can do that by seeking God first every day. Dili maputol ang generational nga tunglo by just praying and reading the word. Because most Christians believe that. Magampo lang ko, magbasa lang ko sa Bible, mosimba lang ko, maputol na ang tunglo. Pastor, unsa di ay? Dili day enough? No, it's not. Even shouting in Jesus' name sa usa ka tunglo or sala or demon is not enough. Tungod kay naa kay flesh nga dapat nimo ilansang daily. We wanted freedom by just shouting in Jesus' name to a certain demonic stronghold where you're continuing nga nag-struggle ana balik-balik sa inyong pamilya because malimot ta igsuon na dili ra demon imong kontra but naa kay flesh, naa kay body na dapat intentionally ilansang nimo sa cross daily. Muingon jud kag dili nako ana, mo palayo gyud ka intentionally. And it takes a local church that you're committed. Muna akong ito last Sunday. You're planted. Someone above you, your D group leader, your pastor, to correct you, rebuke you, and to pray for you. It takes a community to break a generational curse.